In this short tutorial, we are going to show you how to install and run virtual machines on your Windows 10 desktop or laptop. This will run fine on most modern laptops or desktops, and even better on newer machines with SSD or NVMe drives. Simply visit the Virtualbox website. The link is in the description, and download and install the software for your version of Windows or Mac, etc. Virtualbox, or any other hypervisor, allows you to slice up the resources of your laptop or desktop. The RAM, CPU and disk, creating separate virtual machines and servers on the same physical host, perfect for creating small test and development environments. While we are installing, I should mention that you are probably better off using a more fully featured hypervisor, such as VMware, Hyper-V, Proxmox, XCP-ng, etc. on redundant hardware for production use, or better still one of the cloud providers, AWS, DigitalOcean, and again links are in the description for these providers. But Virtualbox is perfect to get you started. And as you can see, we now have it installed and ready to start creating our virtual machines. We are going to create a small Windows 10 VM in Virtualbox as a demo. First, however, we need to quickly download a copy of Windows 10 and save it as an ISO file. We will use as the install image on the new virtual machine in later steps. This section of the video is sped up to save time. The download is saved as an ISO image file on the desktop. Now we are going to create the new virtual machine. Click on New and give the VM a name, set the type to Microsoft Windows, and the version to Windows 10 64-bit in this case. Then click Next. Assign the memory for the virtual machine. I have used 2 gigs here. Select Create a new virtual hard disk. Then press Create to continue. Select VDI as the disk type, then dynamically allocate it and click Next. Note: Windows 10 requires at least 12 gigs of disk space to install. Our Windows 10 virtual machine resources are now created. We just need to install the Windows 10 operating system into it. To do this, we are going to Settings and then click Storage. Click on the CD icon and attach the ISO file we previously saved to the desktop. Click OK and then start the virtual machine. Click Start to boot using the ISO file previously attached. The Windows 10 installer will begin. Most of the default options will be fine. You can enter a key code if you want to license the VM. We have picked Windows 10 Home in this example. Click I accept and continue. Select Custom Install, and select the previous virtual disk we created earlier. The Windows 10 installer will complete and the virtual machine will restart and come up with your new VM ready to use. That's it. Your Windows machine is ready to go. Just run through the basic questions and you're done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to get notified of new videos.